Frankenstein, a novel by Mary Shelley, was first published in 1818 and remains a cornerstone of Gothic literature. The story explores themes of ambition, responsibility, and the nature of humanity, blending science fiction with horror to probe profound philosophical questions. The novel begins with a series of letters written by Robert Walton, an explorer seeking the North Pole. Walton's narrative introduces Victor Frankenstein, a scientist who becomes obsessed with the secret of life. Victor's obsession leads him to create a sentient creature from dead body parts. Upon bringing his creation to life, Victor is horrified by the creature's appearance and abandons it, leading to a series of tragic events. The creature, often misrepresented as Frankenstein, a common misconception, is initially benevolent and longs for companionship. However, it is shunned and mistreated by society due to its grotesque appearance. The creature's experiences with rejection and isolation foster its deep resentment and desire for revenge against Victor, whom it blames for its suffering. Throughout the novel, Victor's ambition and the consequences of his transgressions are central themes. Victor's drive to transcend natural boundaries and create life reflects the Enlightenment's fascination with scientific progress but also serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of overreaching. The novel critiques the reckless pursuit of knowledge without consideration of ethical responsibilities and the potential ramifications of scientific experimentation. The creature's narrative, which unfolds through Victor's story, highlights themes of loneliness, identity, and the search for meaning. Its eloquence and philosophical reflections contrast sharply with its physical form, challenging readers to consider the nature of monstrosity. The creature's eloquent speech and genuine yearning for acceptance contrast with its outward appearance, blurring the lines between beauty and monstrosity, humanity and inhumanity. Frankenstein also examines the responsibilities of creators toward their creations. Victor's failure to care for his creation and his subsequent attempts to distance himself from it lead to disastrous consequences. This aspect of the story raises questions about parental and ethical responsibilities, particularly in the context of creation and innovation. The novel's setting, characterized by desolate landscapes and atmospheric gloom, enhances its Gothic qualities. The settings, ranging from the bleak Swiss Alps to the icy Arctic tundra, reflect the internal turmoil of the characters and amplify the novel's themes of isolation and despair. Frankenstein has had a lasting impact on literature and popular culture, inspiring numerous adaptations and interpretations. Its exploration of the boundaries of human endeavor and the moral implications of scientific advancement remains relevant, resonating with contemporary debates about ethics in science and technology. In essence, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein is a profound exploration of the human condition, responsibility, and the consequences of defying natural order. Its enduring legacy lies in its ability to provoke thought and discussion about the ethical dimensions of human progress and the nature of monstrosity.